We had quite a rumble, had a pretty good earthquake here, 5.6 that was reported. The epicenter was northwest of the actual town of Pawnee in the rural area. It was the biggest one I've ever felt. It's quite an eye opener when you're sound asleep and you get that kind of rumble, that kind of shake. So.
Well, we had an earthquake that was just unprecedented in this area. I mean, we've had a lot of earthquakes over the last couple of years, and they have been just single tremors, and boom, and it's gone. And right away you could tell this was something different. I mean, this was long, sustained, strong earthquake. Things toppled off of shelves and rattled windows and did all kinds of things.
Okay. Okay. Can you hold on just a second? Okay. Okay.
Having talked to the property owner, I think what he hopes is that he can take these rocks and he can put them back. You can see some of the big rocks that are squarish, rectangular rocks that he can put back in place. But we won't know until he gets back and he gets somebody in here that has the knowledge to be able to really tell for sure. He hopes that the damage is mainly what we see here. And